Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. As I said in today's morning analysis, gold has achieved 1870 levels. Now what is going to happen? Today with the US cash market, we are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and now we have super thanks also activated in the channel. You can use the same. So let's start with gold first. Gold right now trading at 1885 levels. Now this is the hourly chart for gold. You can clearly see this was the down move, achieved 1870 level, retracement, and now after the retracement it is trying to come back again. How far this could go? This can again come back till towards 1870, till the time it trades below 1891, because that was the resistance earlier. Remember, I have told many times that 1891 1890 zone is a clear cut resistance for downside. Now support for the downside, now it is resistance for the upside. So if it breaks 1891 zone, then only I'll recommend you to go long, else it can again try to come back on the downside. Also look at the hourly chart, there is a little support available at around 1884, breaking which we can expect a little drop here. Overbought on the hourly charts, MACD trying to converge here, probably try to enter into green. RSI now looking downwards. On the 2-hour chart, similar is the story. There is a resistance here at 1891, and with that probably it may try to come back again on the downside, and it may try to drop a little. How far this could go? This can again come back to 18 uh, 1870 levels, but go short only once it is below. I will give you the levels. Let's first have a more look at the details analysis on this. 2-hour chart again overbought, and 2-hour stochastic is just crossed over and it's still trading in green. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour chart, any move above 1891 is a welcome move to go long. Also look at this. See, the bullishness here on the 3-hour charts has diminished, and hence we may see a sharper red candle here. I'll be cautious here, and I'll be also cautious for if it trades above 1891 levels. Why? Because see, look at the 4-hour charts. This is the drop here. This is the reversal candle at the end of the drop. It has dropped here and it is getting fairly strong resistance 1891. If it breaks this, one can expect that we are going to look at 1900 levels. On the downside, I'll be watchful of 1880. Only if it breaks 1880, I'll recommend you to go short. Once it is below 1880, one can expect a sharper drop again towards 1872 and 1865 levels. 4-hour stochastic looking upwards, MACD is still in green, and RSI near to oversold levels. And if you look at the daily charts, the daily candle has seen a low. Now look at this. This is also 100 period moving average, which is giving it a little resistance at 1890-91 zone. And if it breaks, we may see 1900 directly. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It can trade in green. And on the downside, see, it has achieved a low at 1872 levels. If it breaks, we may see a further downfall towards 1865 and 1860 zone. So yes, it is oversold on the daily charts, and a bounce back is must. Hence one can go back and one can yes, go long above 1891 levels. The target could be at around 1900 1904 levels, and on the downside, if it breaks 1880, one can go short again. So in between 1880 and 1891, one should not take any position. This is what it appears. Look at the MACD, it is white divergent, extremely on sell, hence it may try to converge. Today is the candle, probably I'll be watchful of. And yes, the high is done. That is what it appears on the MACD divergence. See, this divergence high is done, probably it may start converging from now onwards. Hence, to sum it up, go long. If you see it trading above 1891, go long. One can expect that it may try to hit 1900 also. On the downside, if it breaks 1880 again, one can go short for 1872, 1865, 1860 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at NASDAQ 100. See, this is the hourly chart for NASDAQ 100. This was the consolidation zone between 150 and 200 levels. So 13200 and 13150, these two levels I'll be watchful of. If you see it trading below 13150 again and 13120 specifically, one can go short. One can expect that it might drop sharply on the downside. On the upside, yes, there is a little resistance. This is the top of the Bollinger Bands also on the hourly charts at 13350 levels. Also, this is a stronger resistance at 13350. Look at the hourly stochastic. It is now, it was overbought, now trying to enter into oversold zones. And if you look at the MACD, trying to converge and trying to go into sell zone again. If you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly on the 2-hour charts, we have seen a megaphone pattern here. And after this pattern, obviously the drop has to be expected. That is what we are seeing. It may try to come back till towards 13200, and yes, if it breaks this zone at 13170, there you can go long. Probably 113,120 can be expected, and below that one can expect a sharper drop again till towards 13050. Overbought on the 2-hour charts. MACD trying to converge, and on the 2-hour chart it appears we may see a red candle. That is what is also appearing here. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, couple of observations to make. See, on the 3-hour charts, it looks like it has seen the high. On the 3-hour chart, it looks like it has seen the low. 13,000 is the very strong support. Also, if you look at these candles, you can find that higher lows consistently it is giving. So now probably if it tries to drop, see, this is the second red candle and it has to drop. That is what it appears. Probably it may try to come back till towards 13,170, 13,100, and then below that we can expect 13,000 levels also. So I'll be cautious, but let's have a look at the indicators here on the 3-hour chart. We have just missed it. See, it is overbought, and on the 3-hour charts, MACD is also divergent. Probably a convergence is required. RSI is looking downwards from here. And similarly on the 4-hour charts, if you look at the 4-hour charts, see, on the 4-hour charts, the previous candle is failed. The bulls failed to control the candle here, and the body size is half the complete candle, and hence indicating that possible bearishness here. Also, once it breaks this zone at 13,220, probably 13,200 now, you can go short, then 13,170, 120, and in fact this may try to take it on the downside towards 13,050 levels. So I'll be watchful. It can try to drop till towards there. And if you look at the MACD is white, divergent is still in green, hence I'll be cautious, and RSI is comfortable there. If you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see, the candle is green. Also look at this. If you connect the dots here, it is almost seen the high, or the high is at around 13,400 levels. Yes, that is what it has achieved. And if you see it trading below the zone at 13,150, probably you can go short. We may see it coming down again till towards 13,000 levels. So below 13,150, yes, you can go short there. You can expect it to drop sharply. There is a support at 13,110 levels, and below that we may see a sharper fall. And daily stochastic is now in green and looking upwards, indicating possible bullishness there. MACD is trading in red, consistent red, probably a convergence, and a greener candle is required for it to converge. So considering this, let me sum up. You can go short at 13,150 levels. Beyond that, one can expect that it may try to drop till towards, see, 13,100 is a good support, 13,040 is a good support, and 13,000 is a good support. These three levels are definitely very good support for US100 for any downward move. Once it trades below 13,000, definitely there is extreme bearishness. It may try to drop till towards 12,800. Mark my words, you can trade accordingly. On the upside, there is very strong resistance at around 13,350 levels. So yes, here you have to be very cautious. Yes, you can take a long entry at around 13,300 levels. Beyond that, it may try to rise till towards 13,350, 13,400. This is going to be a stronger resistance at 13,400. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It may try to hit back towards 13,460, 13,500 levels also. Take your positions accordingly. Don't trade between 13,150 and 13,300 levels. These 150 points, skip it. Let's preserve our capital first, then only we can make it. So yes, skip these 150 points and trade accordingly. Above 13,300, take a long entry. Always put your stop loss at cost. Whenever you see your position is in green, let it get closed. Nothing happens, you can enter it again. If you are a trader, you will not be afraid of getting the position closed. And see, if it just touches and bounces back, that is also fine. You can again enter. You can again enter at 5-10 points later. That is also fine. So please keep your stop losses cost always. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly charts, it has stabilized here at 33,350, 400 zone. After that, a megaphone pattern. Resistance here at 33,700. Definitely with that at resistance, it is trying to come down. It's getting stabilized here. Couple of green candles which may try to, there should be a breakdown which should be below 13,500. Now 13,500 on the hourly chart is a very strong support. Below that we can see 33,500 is a strong support. Below that 33,400 is a strong support now, which was the previous resistance. Below that we may see a stronger fall. Hourly stochastic looking downwards, MACD trying to converge, RSI is at comfort zone here, but yes, looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, yes, there is a little support here at 33,550 levels. If it breaks below 33,550, one can expect 33,500, 33,400 to provide very stronger support. So take your positions accordingly. It may try to give you a sharper red candle here. Why I am saying so? See the drop here, rise, retracement, and this time it has come out of this channel and it is almost achieved the top here. See, this is the resistance zone 33,700. Now very strong resistance for US30 to break. Also this is the top of the channel now. So I'll be cautious. Any move beyond 33,700 will try to take it towards 34,000 levels. And yes, if it breaks below 33,500, we can expect 33,400, and 33,400 should provide a very strong support. Below that we may see a sharper drop. 2-hour stochastic overbought, MACD white divergent in green, and RSI is comfort zones here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, you will find that couple of observations to make. Yes, there is a definite resistance at 33,700, and now it may try to go back above 33,650. So yesterday, as I told, yes, you can go long above 33,650, where you can expect 33,700, and this time it won't stop at 33,700. It will try to hit 33,800 and 34,000 levels also. So yes, you can go long above 33,650 today. That is what it appears, and you can go short at 33,530 levels also. Below that 33,500 is a good support, and 33,400 will come into picture. 3-hour stochastic looking upwards in green, MACD is white divergent, is still bullish, RSI not showing any signs. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, couple of observations. Now look at the 4-hour charts. The previous candle here, the previous candle, bulls failed to take the charge here. Body size is half the complete candle, indicating that possibly we may see a red candle here. And how far this red candle can come back to? It can come back till towards 33,400 levels. So this candle, I'll expect that probably it may try to come back to 33,400, and if 33,400 is taken, we may see a sharper drop, and there is a probability that from 33,400 again it can retrace back on the upside. So a probability that of it achieving 33,400 exists. Hence you can remain short till the time it remains below 33,650. You can expect 33,400, and yes, one can go long about 33,600, where 650, where you can expect 33,700, and if it breaks this, it may try to hit 33,800 and 34,000 also. 4-hour stochastic looking upwards, MACD white divergent and green. This is the third green candle, and hence is still appearing to be bullish. And if you look at the daily charts, see on the daily candle what it is trying to do. If you consider this is high here, probably, and this is the channel here, probably the highs and lows both are done here. So I'll be watchful of 33,300, and I'll be watchful of 33,700. These two levels, 33,700, 33,300, these 400 points, I have to be cautious today. Probably if it breaks 33,300, one can expect that it can try to go back till towards 33,000. This may be, there may be a stronger break below 33,300, where it can try to achieve 33,000 levels. So yes, first you can go short at around 33,530, where you can expect 33,400 may get achieved with the US cash session. And yes, if it drops below 33,400, we can expect 33,300. Probably it may try to bounce back from there. If it doesn't, if it fails, we may see a sharper drop today. It may try to go back till towards 33,000 levels. And yes, if you see it trading above 33,700 any point of time, see, only point to go long is at 33,650. Beyond that, you can expect 33,700, 750 zone, and then 33,800. These two levels, if I cross, 34,000 is the target. So in between 33,650 and in between 33,530, don't trade between these 120 points. Don't take a position in between these 120 points. Below 33,530, yes, you can expect 33,500 providing a little support, and then directly it will lend to 33,400 and 33,300. May bounce back from there. Trade with caution, put your stop losses, or you can again try to enter a long at 33,300. That is also possible. If it breaks 33,300 and sustains below this time it is going to hit 33,000 levels. On the other side, if it trades above 33,650, you can go long, but trade with a stop loss. This is going to be a wild volatile market. The target is going to be 33,700, and beyond that, sky is the limit. It can try to hit highs at around 33,800 and 34,000 levels also. Take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Join my Telegram channel. Join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your trading or training related queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.